Good job, buddy.
Yeah. Movie star. So I always like to work the head and the cranial folds here.
Hey, bud.
Breastfeeding.
Yep.
Good. Look at you turning your neck like crazy.
That's
to
right.
your
Good
sister.
job, buddy.
You did it.
Ah.